Hello everybody, welcome back to my Dying to Show You channel. Today I'm going to be making stir-fried cauliflower. This is the main ingredient, cauliflower. Also going to use some vegetable oil, sweet and sour sauce, just a little bit of that, sun-dried tomatoes, low sodium soy sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of this minced garlic that already comes prepared, but I'm also gonna use garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, and green onion. So let's start by washing the cauliflower and cutting it. Okay, so here we have cauliflower. Gonna dry it a little bit. And cut it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut. Okay, more or less that's the size of the pieces that we want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of it and I'll be back. Okay, so they're all cut up. Now these little pieces, don't throw them away. Just gather them all and put them in the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mince the garlic. So these are the garlics that I'm using. It's like 4.5. I'm gonna go ahead and chop them off camera. And here are the green onions, and I'm gonna go ahead and chop them as well. Okay, so now we're ready to start. I have the onions chopped and we're ready to start. So we're gonna let the pan heat a little bit before we put the oil in there. So I'm gonna add like 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. I'm gonna add it to the pan. Let's see how. Now let's wait till it warms up a little bit more. Okay, so let's try it again. Yeah, like 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Let's wait till it's warm, which should be shortly. And now let's throw in the cauliflower. And lower it to medium heat. And we're going to add the garlic. And 1 teaspoon of the minced garlic. In a bottle. Let's just let them brown a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to add some sun-dried tomato. I'm going to add some sun-dried tomato. This is to give it some color. And a little bit of the oil from the sun-dried tomato as well. That should be good. Let me lower the heat to medium. A little bit below medium. Okay, so they were cooking there for about 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add the soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. Oh, I had that one open, and I opened a new bottle of the low sodium soy sauce. Okay. Now I'm going to add the sweet and sour sauce. Okay, that should be good. Just a little bit. And also not all of the onions that I cut, just a few of them, because I want some of them to decorate when I serve it. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper. And this is ready to eat. It looks absolutely delicious, and I'm sure that it is. So now I'm going to serve it so you can see how it looks with the decoration of the green onions. So I'm sprinkling the green onions over it. And there you have it. Stir fry cauliflower. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my other video, and also comment if you like. Until the next time, may God bless you and keep you safe. Bye bye.